this is part 2 of the DIY fashion Pinterest made me do it. My own self, I'll be doing my own self, DIY, do it yourself. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Akima. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So today's video, I will be doing DIY fashion, but I kind of did this video before, like Pinterest made me do it. When the notebook cover I have done, I will do my clothes, my old clothes. It's a lot of ideas that I want to do, and it's a lot of ideas that I saw on pictures that I really want to do. So for y'all some clothes. So y'all have seen this. See this? That my video that I did 3 different DIY, and I got this plain blue shirt, and if I tie-dyed it blue, dark blue kind of. It was, but it's fading away, but I was like, kind of bummed to me, and it got this like shirt, whole white hair, and every time I had, I just feel the breeze. So then I got this pants right here. And I tell you, but this pants fit me so well. I really love this pant a lot. I really do. It really fit me so well. So what I'm thinking about, I will show y'all the picture right here. That I found pictures that's kind of pretty much trending right now, the fire flames on the pan. So I'm gonna put it right here by the pockets, and I think it looks so cute. Oh my god, cardigan or something with the patches, not patches, like the prints. Let me tell you, this is cute. You know, I don't know if I can still feel it. I would say this is cute. This is still cute or whatever. But I will make this out of a crop tank top that like this. I'm gonna make out of like this. By the way, I made this, as y'all can see, I made this top, so I'm gonna do something like this with the same thing, with this cardigan. You know, I'm gonna do this video, and I am so excited. Everyone, I have been waiting for this to do this video, and that is the time. So his hair. Okay guys, so this is the next day. As you can tell, my hairstyle a little bit different, as you can see. The hair look like at the top part, and I sewed it on the side, as you can see. I did it in the back, but it's kind of crooked. Hopefully this comes out nice. Hopefully. I sewed on so like this, and now I'll unfold it. We're going to unfold it and make it look neat. So I'm going to pin it. You can see how I unfold it, and